I am really bringing you something special today. We are talking about man and his love for his vehicle. What a love affair it is. Now, on a lot of vehicles, the backstory is as valuable as the vehicle itself. Talk to any collector. If that car has a good solid background, it is very valuable. It does. It increases the value and the need for that vehicle. This is a 1956 Ford, one owner. You heard me correct. In 1956, a young man working at the dealership falls in love with the new model. In 1958, he goes into the Airforce. His monthly payment for his car, $60. His entire monthly check from the Airforce, $75. He had to have a part-time job just to keep his beautiful car the entire time he's in the Airforce. As time goes on, he meets the love of his life. They get married, they have children, they raise a family. This was the family car. Now let's do a big jump forward. In 2016, he wants to give the car the love he needs. He wants it professionally restored. Now we're talking all the chrome, the bright work, paint, everything on the car is done. Takes 3 years. In 2019, the car is finally finished. He gets his car back. The total cost to restore the car, $96,000. That's what it costs for this car as you see it today. Now, during the restore, they have done a couple of upgrades, and they're all positive. It still has the original 292, but during the build, they upgraded it to a 312. Get rid of the generator, let's put in an alternator. It's better for your driving, okay? Now, let's do a power steering. How about AC? The AC unit is very nice. It slides underneath the dash, so there's no changes to your firewall. It's very clean. It looks very, very nice. Okay. We're going to check our wipers. Wipers work fine, nice and smooth. Now we're going to turn them off. They close down nicely. Now let's go ahead and check the AC and the heat. Let's do the fan first. That's low, medium, and high. It really does blow some. So let's keep it on low. It's all right. Now let's try some heat. Oh, it's almost warm instantly. Let's do the defrost. Yes, it does work. Let's bring this back. Do our temp. Nice. The unit works very nice.
I was so scared, and one mother says her son.
What an absolutely stunning 56. Isn't she beautiful? She really, really is. I want to stress this. I want you to remember, this is a one-owner car. From day one, as a brand new vehicle, it has had the same owner. It has always been maintained, always garaged, always loved. Remember, this has just gone through a complete restoration in 2019 when it was completed at a value of $96,000. You are not going to find a nicer quality 56 than what I have here. So, I want you to come down, Take a look at it, and once you see it, you'll understand at the level of this build. It really, really is a stunning build.